Hi friends, in this video you will learn how to change profile picture of Messenger without Facebook. So let's begin the video. If you haven't subscribed the channel, please subscribe the channel for more informative videos. So let's start the video. So first of all, you will simply open your Messenger application. So at the top corner there are three horizontal lines. You will simply tap on three horizontal lines. Here you will tap on the corner option settings. You will go to settings, and here at the front of the profile picture there is a small camera. You will simply tap on small camera and you will tap on the picture you want to add from library. So we will add this one. You will select the photo from your gallery. Here you can crop the photo. So we will crop it completely. After it, you will simply tap on done. So you will simply tap on save profile picture. So the profile picture has been changed in Messenger. So this is the simple process of changing the profile picture of Messenger without using Facebook. So if you like the video, please subscribe the channel for more informative videos. Thank you.